A Biomimetic Innovation Lab episode explores how the peppered moths inspired dynamic camouflage for autonomous vehicles and drones. In nature, their wings shift appearance with light and season, blending into environments to evade predators. Engineers translate this by developing adaptive coatings that change color and texture in real time, using flexible pigments and responsive materials. The result is smarter camouflage that improves safety, reduces detection, and enables stealthy exploration in disaster zones or crowded cities. This fusion of biology and robotics promises societal benefits from safer search and rescue to greener, less conspicuous transport.